The Toyota JPN 9-seater auto rickshaw 2026 represents an imaginative evolution of urban mobility, merging Toyota's reputation for reliability with the compact practicality of a rickshaw. By adapting the framework of traditional three-wheelers into a more robust, semi-enclosed form, Toyota would be positioning this vehicle as a higher-capacity yet still maneuverable solution for cities struggling with congestion and rising transport demand. The 9-seater design offers operators a chance to move more passengers per trip, which is essential for maximizing efficiency in dense urban corridors. The exterior design could blend utility and aesthetics in a way that stands out from the basic rickshaw models currently dominating the streets. Expect a boxy, high-roof silhouette that allows for more headroom and better airflow, with sliding doors for easy entry and exit. Lightweight but durable materials would keep the overall weight manageable, ensuring the vehicle remains agile while offering durability to withstand daily commercial use. Toyota's emphasis on longevity would likely set this model apart from cheaper competitors. Under the hood, performance would be a critical factor. Carrying 9 passengers demands more than the small 2-stroke or 3-stroke engines used in conventional rickshaws. A water-cooled, 4-stroke hybrid or CNG engine seems like a realistic choice, balancing fuel efficiency with sufficient torque to manage heavy loads in start-stop traffic. Hybrid assistance could not only improve acceleration but also reduce emissions, aligning the rickshaw with stricter environmental regulations in markets like India and Pakistan. Fuel economy would naturally be one of the strongest selling points. With CNG or LPG compatibility and hybrid assist, the rickshaw could achieve impressive mileage while keeping operational costs low for drivers. Fleet operators would benefit most from these savings, particularly in cities where rickshaw fleets form the backbone of last-mile connectivity. A switch to cleaner fuels would also help municipalities meet sustainability targets without sacrificing affordable transport options. Passenger comfort in a 9-seater rickshaw is a delicate balance, but Toyota's design philosophy would likely prioritize ergonomics over bare-bones functionality. Padded benches arranged in a U-shaped or parallel configuration, rubber flooring for easy cleaning, LED lighting for safety, and wider windows for ventilation could all form part of the interior. Compared to standard rickshaws, these features would make longer rides tolerable and elevate the overall passenger experience. Safety has often been a weak point in auto rickshaws, but Toyota could raise the bar significantly with this model. Reinforced chassis construction, disc brakes, stability support, and perhaps even seatbelts would mark a major step forward. Basic airbags for the driver and front passenger could also be integrated, showing Toyota's intent to align even low-cost vehicles with global safety standards. Such additions would not only reassure passengers but also appeal to regulators. On the technology front, a minimal digital instrument cluster would modernize the cockpit, displaying speed, fuel levels, trip logs, and service reminders. A GPS module or basic infotainment system could assist drivers in navigation and fleet management. While not luxurious, these touches would set the rickshaw apart from no-frills competitors and could prove invaluable in managing operations across large urban networks. Affordability, however, would be key to the model's success. A Toyota 9-seater would likely command a premium compared to generic rickshaws, but the cost would be justified by lower maintenance, fuel savings, and brand reputation. Pricing in the range of 2 Indian rupees and 50 paise -4 lakh or 250,000 Pakistani rupees -400,000 could make it viable for fleet operators, particularly when factoring in government subsidies for cleaner vehicles. Over time, the investment could prove cost-effective despite higher initial outlay. From an operational standpoint, the rickshaw would be best suited for medium-distance urban routes where passenger turnover is high. While maneuverability might be slightly compromised compared to 3-seat models, the added capacity would more than offset this in high-demand zones. For cities with wide roads and growing populations, this balance of agility and seating could make it a practical alternative to minibuses. Regulatory challenges could pose hurdles. Many municipalities restrict the number of passengers allowed in auto rickshaws, and a 9-seat model might fall into a different category altogether, requiring special permits or being reclassified as a minibus. Toyota's reputation and lobbying power could help smoothen such transitions, but rollout might be uneven across regions depending on local transport laws. Servicing and maintenance would likely be a strong point. Toyota's widespread dealer network could provide reliable after-sales service and genuine spare parts, addressing one of the biggest weaknesses of budget rickshaws currently in circulation. For operators, reduced downtime and easier access to parts would directly translate into higher earnings and improved trust in the brand. Ultimately, the Toyota JPN 9-seater auto rickshaw 2026 represents an ambitious reimagining of shared mobility. If it were to be realized, it could dramatically increase the efficiency of urban transport systems while raising standards of comfort, safety, and sustainability. Though speculative at this stage, such a vehicle would be a natural extension of Toyota's efforts to provide innovative, people-focused mobility solutions for crowded cities in South Asia and beyond.